What up, everybody? Welcome back to a reaction series on AirCal Productions, and for this video, I got the following request to look at RX MattCARailfan's February 2022 plane spotting with 10 special planes in one day. It's about 28 minutes long. So we'll just get into it. Actually, before we do that, let's go to Safari because I can't play Matt's videos in Firefox. So here's the thumbnail. What do you guys think of it? Star Alliance. That looks good. That's a good thumbnail. RX MattCARailfan presents a new video. Alright. And then the intro looks like we got this BNSF train with Union Pacific locomotives and yeah. An old photo from an Airbus A320, March 2018. Okay, that's cool. Nice photo. American Airlines AirCal retro livery. That's nice. That's a nice view of it. It flew over Matt's school. And don't worry about the sound, I don't mind. We're here for the airplanes, so it's okay. It's a very nice cloudy day. And there it is. Retro livery. That looks good. Very good. Timestamp says this is a Frontier A321 from Frontier Airlines. These are some very good close-up shots. Of course, Matt has a very good lens, very good zoom, and very crisp and clear quality. So what do you guys think? You like Frontier? It's a good design. Yeah, the weather turned from cloudy to sunny, which is so interesting. Anyways. It's a nice Delta airplane. Nice colors. Interesting aircraft there. I like the colors. I like this one with the US flag on the rear of the plane. It's a good undershot of it too. Same thing with this one, that's a good shot of the under part of this plane. Allegiant Air Knights Special Library. That looks really good. That is a very, very good library actually. So I do see why it's special. I like that undershot too. It's pretty neat to see the colors from underneath too.
There goes the Air Knights livery for Allegiant Air. Pretty dang amazing.
It's pretty good Southwest Airlines livery. Looks pretty great with those colors. It's pretty neat how they also have the blue color on the engines on the sides of the plane. That's also a good undershot. A little bit blurry here, but it happens. That's no problem. Okay, yeah, it's getting blurry there. Timestamp says this is a Southwest Canyon Blue livery. I don't think I've seen this one before, so that's good. That's pretty cool. Red colors on this one. That's a nice Allegiant livery there. Good contrast with the blue on the engines, but you know the wings are white. That's a good contrast, I think. Spotted a 747 in the distance. I can't quite tell what airline this is. I can see the markings on the side, but I can't distinguish the letters, so. But a catch is a catch. Oh, now it's cloudy again. Some good colors on this one with the black. Or maybe it's dark gray, but yeah, I like that. The trees are blocking there, but that's fine. That's a very tight shot. Or at least an attempt of a tight shot. This is a nice Allegiant livery. Those are some very vibrant colors on this specific plane. Timestamp says this is the Southwest Arizona 1 special, so that looks great. I hear that little, I think it's a hawk. That's a nice front view. It is a Spirit Airlines. Like that S on the tail wing. United Airlines Star Wars livery. Whoa. Don't think I've heard of this one before. But there it is. I know it's kind of hard to see the letters on the side, but yep, that's Star Wars. Hard to see that. looks like a photograph. Alright, alright. That looks good. The birds are still hawking. Another Southwest Canyon blue, which I like that color, those colors. Timestamp says this is the Southwest Special New Mexico livery. And yeah, there's the New Mexico state logo. You might recognize this from one of Ricardo Arvizu Entertainment's videos. At least the New Mexico state logo, because when we've reacted to Ricardo's videos, sometimes I see that New Mexico logo. Another Southwest.
Just deployed its gear right now. Not sure if you just saw that.
I must have missed something because I don't think I saw something. Another Allegiant Airlines. Plane did a go-around, attempt 2 to land. Oh, something must have gone wrong the first time around. Anyways. It's a good front shot of this one. Another Allegiant Airlines. Kind of hear the engine sound on this one. Timestamp says this is Alaska Airlines Veterans Library. I think I've seen this one in previous plane spotting videos from Matt, so it's a good one. Looks like a bunny. That's a very cute bunny, if I'm not mistaken, so that's cool. Looks like it's eating something. Eating grass. Look at that, look at that. You can literally see it's eating grass. That's a very special, very good bonus footage. That's a very crisp close-up shot too, like documentary style almost. Hmm.
Alright guys, here comes a Boeing 737 MAX 8. It's one of the aircrafts that was suspended for 2 years. Here it comes.
Alright, so that's interesting to know.
This is the 737 MAX 8.
Okay. That's interesting catch. Alaska Airlines, according to the timestamp. And yes, that's it. That's an Alaska Airlines. Somebody's honking their car horn there multiple times. Not sure why. Nice UPS airplane there. Worldwide services. Yes. So there it goes. Another UPS. Or let me see the timestamp. Yes. And yes, you can see it says worldwide services on the front. It's a good view. Nice cargo airplane. It's pretty big, so I can only imagine how many packages are inside. Whoa. UPS plane number 2. That's a very good shot of it. I think I like this one more than the previous one. And by the way, this video is in HD quality. and I am streaming on HD quality, so this is pretty crisp. Next one. Ooh, look at that. Timestamp just says it's a small plane, so I'm not sure if this is a private one. Yeah, it should be a private plane or something. That's a cool red color. And there it goes. American Airlines with its standard US flag on the tail wing, so yep. It's pretty decent view. FedEx cargo plane. Nice to see that one too. And I like the purple on the back of the plane. We also had the FedEx logo in two colors, and two variants of colors. Let me see if I can get you in a good position of it to show you. So look at this. On the front we have the FedEx in purple and orange, and on the tail wing we have it in white and orange, so that's good to see, the variants. And if you look closely, you can also see the FedEx logo on the engine itself, right here, where my cursor is circling. Look at it very closely. So that's very cool how they actually put the logo on the engines. I never knew that. Nighttime has arrived. Another Allegiant airplane. And I can see the lights pretty well from here, so it's pretty spectacular. So Matt was actually spending a pretty decent amount of time, plane spotting. I'm not sure how long he was out there. It's a good shot of the incoming plane and its headlights. And I also like the green and the red light that's on each side of the plane. And it's a Delta Airlines according to the timestamp. Now at this point, it is actually very dark, so I know the image looks pretty grainy, but a catch is a catch. We'll still take it. And timestamp says it's Alaska Airlines Classic livery. And yeah, it is hard to see, but I can kind of see the face on the tail wing there. Yeah, you can see that. you can kind of see it better right here at this angle or at this position. And then we're going to finish off with a United Airlines. So yes, a catch is a catch. Anything is good for me. To be honest, I don't really mind if it's grainy. My first plane spotting videos ever were pretty bad, to be honest, so this is way better. And then to close off, we got an image of a Spirit Airlines in its old livery, which is rare. And yeah, don't worry about it not being a good photo. It's, like I said, a catch is a catch. And we will take anything, to be honest. I will take it. It's great. Anything is good, to be honest. But yeah, get rid of this message. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed all these planes. I liked, let me see. I like the cargo planes. I like them. I like how he caught some UPS and FedEx. And I like the Southwest Airlines. I like the Arizona one livery. It was a pretty special one, so I like those very vibrant colors on that one. And let me see what else I liked. I like the Alaska Airlines. I think it's the Veterans one, and I also like the Star Wars livery. But yeah, pretty decent amount of planes, and I'm very satisfied with what I saw. So this definitely gets a like for me, and a very good comments. I will comment once I conclude the video. But yeah, alright guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and let me know if you have any specific planes that you liked, and of course send Matt some good comments his way. Go to his video. I'll link it in the description as always, and you can leave a comment there and just tell him your thoughts. I'm sure Matt will appreciate any comments you have. So let him know what you liked about this video. And all right, so up next I have a request from Sam the Railfanner. I will be looking at one of his videos, so expect that for next time. And alright, thank you guys for watching, and we will catch you for some more reactions soon. So take care, everybody.